Hello there, and welcome back to day 3. You're 2 days into this, so we already know how you're feeling. You're feeling more patient, you're feeling more calm. Things that used to agitate you easily aren't really agitating you. This isn't the Matrix. This is simply stress management without drugs and a good night's sleep. So today we want to focus on sleep and why is sleep so important. If we're to live to be 100 years old, we should sleep for 33 years. So there must be some level of importance to sleep. Well, it's about cellular restoration, your cells cleaning their toxins, and getting the recovery your body and your mind needs every night. Most of us after puberty fail to take care of ourselves in the sleep architecture, meaning we live a lifestyle of high stress, poor sleep, and over the consequence of years of living like this, disease starts to proliferate and our emotional and physical and mental abilities diminish. Today we want you to focus on either rescue or introduce PowerNap. PowerNap we designed for the consumer. Why? When we asked people to take care of themselves and we said we need 30 minutes, people would panic. Like they don't have 1/48 of the day to take care of themselves. So we literally invented, not because of neuroscience and health, but to take care of consumers in a chaotic world, the 20-minute power nap. Using the same physics principles of rescue, we just do it faster. So it's more of a concentrated version. Instead of fresh squeezed orange juice, you're getting orange juice from concentrate. So today, if you have time, absolutely use the rescue because there's more restorative powers to it. But if you don't, and 20 minutes is all you have, try PowerNap. And then tonight, we want you to use deep sleep again. You can use the summer rain, you can use the sonic essence or the sleep melody. The physics architecture and the pacing of your brain down to delta are identical. It's really about preference. You are going to enjoy the benefit of rescue or PowerNap during the day. It's going to resolve your stress. It's going to prepare your mind and body for rest in the evening, and then deep sleep is going to fill in your sleep architecture. That combination of rescue during the day or power nap and deep sleep at night is the therapeutic channel for you to take care of yourselves and recapture the sleep that you deserve and that's going to serve you really well. So enjoy day 3, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow.